All right, good evening, guys. You're welcome to today's class. All right, the last time I will make a review of where we stopped. The last time, if I can remember, I think we did something on G. Remember G Euro? Maybe something on Euro, US, Euro USD. Wow, Euro USD. Wow. I didn't even know. I actually placed a trade on Euro USD, though I have not checked that trade. It's online, it's playing out. Good, 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 good. This one actually smashed this one last week, and this week, this one is already playing out. We are expecting the market to hit up. The market has to go up very well, right? Yeah, the zone is still up. We expect this market to still go further. So now, what are we expecting? Remember that we are actually on uptrend. Market is on uptrend. I think I should make a little review here so that for those that have not entered, if they want to enter, they will know where to. There's the opportunity for those who have not entered the market to enter the market, but still have a very big opportunity to the upside. Don't forget that market will up, retrace, up, retrace. It's going up now. So this market that's going up, it will hit here, then retrace back. So for now, this market, we are in a very good opportunity. So since the market has retraced and triggered, the best thing for you to do now is to set break even. This is our stop loss. So we're going to move our stop loss right away. Okay, close up, stop loss. All right, no stop loss anymore. So move it to break even. Move our stop loss to break even. It simply means that if the market decides to go against us, we will not lose money from the market. Okay, so now the market has moved, we have moved up. Our stop loss is now here, which is 1.09128. That's our break even right now. We are now, the market is now on break even. You can finally mute your mic. The market is currently on break even. So if you're in this trade, you can put your break even. So even if market starts to come down, you will not be affected. Rather, you just take a few profits from the market instead of losing. Okay, this is where we enter the market. Market has pushed up and we are already on the profit on the safe side. So that is the best way to trade this strategy. So here now you are not risking anything. Your capital, your money is secure. So allow the market to do what it knows best until it goes up. Remember, these setups must not play out one day. At times it might even take 1 week to play out. It's not a problem. Okay, allow the market to do what it knows how to do best. So this market allow the market to keep going. Remember that it must not be 100%. These setups are not 100%. Nobody has 100% setup in the market. Nobody has 100% setup in the market. So these strategies at times can still hit stop loss. That's why it's good to protect your capital. Very important. Protect your capital. Very important. But at the end, when the thing finally goes and hit your TP, you make a good, huge amount of money. So thank God this one played out. So many has played out. I think we have got like 3 wins and 1 loss. Though it's not actually a loss because that was gold. We have protected our capital. We are already on break even. Before that hit our protection, our break even, and took us off the market. So that was not actually a loss for us anyway. But that doesn't mean that loss cannot come. But the fact remains that your loss should be minimal. That's why you use stop loss. Okay, let us check. There's GPB. I think we also entered GPB USD. GPBUSD. No, not USD, JPY. 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 Okay. Whoa. JPY. Please, can't you mute your mic? Can't you mute your mic? So, thank you. Now, JPY did not respect our zone. Actually hit our stop loss. So you see what I was just talking about now. Okay, this one hits our stop loss. From our tracing, we traced, market is actually on the downtrend. Anything can happen in the market. We expect the market to come down. This one was supposed to be our take profit and our stop loss. So markets confidently came and hit our stop loss and took us off the market and keep going up. So at this point, nothing. Remember that market was actually on the downtrend. So we are waiting for this change to confirm very well. And for it to confirm very well, remember, for it to confirm very well, market has moved from here to the up. From here, market has taken. It has not broken this. This level has not been broken yet. But it has given us broken. This one has been broken. That's the previous high has been broken. So it's expected that means we have gotten one. Market is expected if market is going to go back to return to uptrend, we're going to have a retracement. Okay, have a retracement. That is 2. Make a new high. That is 3. Once this is done, this market has changed to a proper uptrend. So for now, market took us off. That's what I'm saying. You protect your profit. At this point, market will just take a little bit of your profit, a little bit of your capital, which will not affect your account because your risk management is intact. Okay, so this is fine. We are still in profit, judging from so far what we have made so far in the market. We have been following this. So now, the next thing we're expecting is this to play out. If this market has taken 1 and giving us 1 leg up, we are still expecting 2 and 3. So if that is done confidently, the market has come to uptrend. So this is what we're expecting to happen in the market. Once it is done, once it happens, then we expect the market to retrace for us to buy. I'm going to buy around here. I'm going to buy around here. So there are serious risk takers that will put a buy here at this point. Yes, some will do that. Someone like me will do that. Okay, but to be on a safe side, allow it to come down and complete the third leg before you enter the market and trace back again before you enter the market. Okay, that is a snapshot, snap entry. Okay, some can enter from here, but anything can happen here. What if the market decide not to go uptrend and start to still come back to control downtrend? So anything can happen. All right, but this is what we're expecting in the market. This is what we're expecting in the market.
How many?
Sorry?
I mean, the candlesticks are so tiny, I can barely even see it. Like, how many days market?
This is 1 hour. We're in 1 hour chart right now.
1 hour
I think,
chart.
yes, let me increase it. Have increased. Okay.
Okay.
People are speaking out. I'm turn this down.
1 hour.
I think it's better now.
It's better.
Okay. Now, this is where the market is. We'll actually reduce it a bit so that this screen will accommodate what we are doing. So I want to remove this and come back again and make this review again. In case you didn't get it before, move this and make this review again. All right, this was where we stopped the last time. We were actually on the downtrend. Okay, and we expect the market to come back. All right, come back and hit our TP below, take profit below. But market did otherwise. Okay, market tried to change the trend. And to change this trend, remember that the previous high, our previous high, market went from here to this point. So came up, went to go down, did not do that. So instead, the market came and created a new high higher than this previous high, higher than this previous high, which is this. That means market has successfully moved a leg up. One. So we're selling the market must, not must anyway, but has to make a retracement to this level, mark this level, this previous high, this previous high. Expect the market to come back to this previous high, this zone, or this previous high. But let me use this to mark up the zone. Okay, this previous high is where we should expect the market to come back to for a retest. Okay, should be able to come back to this previous high for a retest. This previous high that was broken for a retest. So once that is done, market comes here for a retest, then expect to some snapshots, snap entries will enter here. Will enter a buy here and put stop loss below. Normally, I actually like taking this kind of buys. All right, the big riskers that they do this. We'll take a buy here, put your stop loss below here, allow it to run, allow it to run. But if you are not a heavy risk taker, you can allow this market after giving you one leg. This is one, allow it to come back two. The third one have to break this higher this high to the next high, okay, to confirm, make it stronger. This third one will have to take this up and break this high. Once this high is broken, this market can only bring down, come back to the high. At this point, you can safely enter your buy to the upside. You can safely enter the buy to the upside at this point. I hope this is clear. All right. If you are stopped out, no problem. Provided that you have that's why it's good to protect yourself, protect your capital, protect your account. If you know you put stop loss, don't put any trade without stop loss. Very importantly, without stop loss, calculated stop loss. Okay. In the next class, I'm going to teach on risk management so that you actually know how many percent you can risk, how many percent of your account that you can risk, how many pips you're going to set, you're going to use. Like I said, with this strategy, if you calculate your risk very well, you should be able to, if you enter 10 trades in a week or in a month, and you lose 6 or 7 of them and win only 3, you should not be at loss. If those 3 play out very well, you will not be at loss. You must be on positive side. But the key to this success of this is patience. But like this one now, you have to be patient enough for it to mature, come up, break this level up before you on the retest you can enter your buy. It has to do with patience. Okay, don't put all your family problem, all your challenges on trading. Some people come to trading and they see the opportunities on trading, opportunities on it that can make money quickly on trading. They just rushing, put in their life savings and they blow the account. They empty the account within a few days. Trading has to do with patience. You can patiently follow your setup, wait for your setup to click and follow it. You will go far on trading. All right. So this is what we're expecting on this market so far. That's the way you are going to be trading the market. You're going to trade it as the market proceeds. You're going to trade it as it goes. If it's going up or down, you should be able to follow it with your strategy and make a headway out of it. So finally, I don't want to add today, I want to add support and resistance to this. Okay? If you know how to follow the market, follow the trend of the market, you should understand support and resistance. How do I know that this market will come to this zone and go back? Break this level, come back to this zone. How do I know? It's simply support and resistance. It's simply through the system of support and resistance. I'm not a magician. Nobody is a magician to know that this market will have to retrace to this zone and go back and continue going up. The only thing that could aid me to say that this market, to predict that this market will come to this zone and go up, is because of support and resistance. How do I mean? Support, a particular zone can act as support and resistance at the same time, depending on the direction of the market. This zone here, this particular zone here that I marked out, is going to act as a support when this market is coming down. Market start coming down, it's here, this place will act as a support for the market to go up. This zone here will act as a support for the market to go up. Why would it act as support? Because they have been tested previously. One, there was a struggle here. There was a struggle here. If we start to follow it, follow this suit, you see that there's another one here. Okay. These are areas that have been tested before. Market actually had issues passing that zone or going or passing that up to the upside or to the downside. All right. So when market is coming down, this zone will be a support. When market is coming from up, coming from down to the upside, that zone will be act as a resistance. As market is coming from up to this zone will be a resistance to this place. Will resist it from going up. That's the resistance. When coming down, this zone will act as a support that will hold the market. That is a support. Just have a support here to better bounce back. Even if the market will break this support, it will first bounce here. This place will give it a support. It will bounce back a bit. It will then decide to gradually come back down and see if it can break the support. And when it breaks the support, it goes down. Same thing when market is going up. When it comes to this zone, it will what? Hit it as a resistance. Then it will go back. Then come back again and try to see if it can break it. If you couldn't break it, it will go back down. But if you break its resistance, it will go up. And coming back, the market will make it a support, and that zone will turn to support. Okay? But that zone that can act as a support or resistance depending on the direction of the market. All right. That being said, to identify support and resistance in the market, support and resistance, they are just areas or zones of interest where markets or where demand occur or supply occurs. Like I said, there are laymen that will those that new traders that will watch this video. So I will not want to use most of the terms so that it will be easier for them to understand this video. All right. No, these areas of support and resistance, areas of demand and supply. Okay. So areas, every point that market struggles is a support and resistance, is a way there's a support and resistance. I think that's the layman understanding, layman approach I will use to explain this. Any zone that market actually struggles to pass through, there's a support and resistance there. And the more the zone is tested, the more stronger that support or resistance is. Market has tested, has crossed here, has been here before. It traced back, came back, hit it traced back, but later come back to pass through. So here has been tested before, 1, 2. and you have other 3, 4 that have been tested multiple times. So that zone is very strong. So once market broke through the zone, it will not be easy for the market to come back to pass through again. It will not be easy for the market to pass through again, but it has broken through a strong level. So this place is also a support here, and bring a line, drop it here. This is also a support, but it's not very strong. Here, here, it's not very strong. Market can start to turn from here, but it's not very strong. All right, these are strong levels. So because they are very strong levels, that's why I'm saying that the market will get to this strong level before going back down, going back up, I mean to say. Okay, and then I'll quickly want to check another market. This support and resistance. Which market should I go down? GP, USD. Something like that. Let's look at this support and resistance on that. Okay, now there's no other, we have not done any other analysis here, so we can easily use this for support and resistance. Okay, I think we'll follow this market before, but I hope you want to clear off all this. Very good. All right, how do we spot support and resistance in this market? Looking at this market the way it is, where are the areas the market has, areas of interest, where market has gotten to and decided to go back? Look at this place. Look at this place, this zone. Support and resistance is not just one line, it's a zone. Okay? Looking at this zone, so the market has actually built to this zone and struggled. Look at it. Market actually has struggled on this zone. Struggled very well on this zone. So look at it very well. So this place is actually a very strong support and resistance. If this market is coming down, it will first get to this point and have a pause because market has tested this place more than 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Market has tested it. This is 1, 2, 3. Here, 4, here as a resistance. Here as a resistance. Here as a support. Here as a support. Okay? I want to believe you are understanding what I'm saying. All right? Okay. So as well in this market, if this market decides to come back down, it will, once it comes here, it will first what? Have the support here. This will give the support a breathing space. Calm down first and make your decision on next thing to do. Another point you should looking at when talking about support and resistance is a place like this place where the market is now. Look at it. I think I should shrink this place a bit so that you see what I'm talking about. Okay, it will help you to see better the market. Now look at this zone. That is why I see that the market is struggling here. Why is it struggling here? You ask yourself, why is the market struggling where it is? Where the market is now, why is it struggling? So when you enter into the market, that's what you ask yourself. Where is this candle now? Where is the market now? Why is it struggling at that place? Why is it at that place? Go back and forth. They wind the candlesticks back to check what has happened there that will make the market to be struggling where it is at the moment. Looking at this now, you notice that the market has been to this point several times. See 1, 2, 3. So the market actually gave this tough time. Market was coming up, it came here and was 1 as it gave it a resistance, it went back. Come back again to test the zone. It resisted the market, came back down. Come back again, resisted the market again. It did what? it came back down. Now it's time to come up, resisted, we came to the zone again. Now, as it came to the zone, it came with, see, market had to go back down to gather enough force, momentum to break the resistance that have been resisting it before. After breaking the resistance, we expect the market to keep going up by retracing back. So market now retraced back because it has created another resistance, another support here. This will give it a support to bounce back. So we're expecting the market to make a new high for it to confirm uptrend. See the link now, how resistance support helps uptrend, downtrend structure. Okay, you can't rule them out. They are all inseparable in the market. All right. So you see, because this market has been resisted more than two times, twice here, this now makes this zone a strong zone. So this market has to go back down to gather momentum to come and break all through and created a new high. So after creating a new high, the market has to make a pause and a pause and a pause. So it came back, gather strength, and break. To break through now means that market has to what? For it to turn to uptrend up properly, the market will have to what? Go create a new high, higher than this. Now come back to test this zone. Now come back to test this zone. From this zone, you can enter a sweet buy to the upside. Enter a sweet buy to the upside. But I want to believe you understand what I mean by support and resistance right now. I want you to understand what I mean by support and resistance right now. Okay, that's how it is in the market. I can only go on and on and on and on. USDR, US Canadian dollar. You can also check that. Okay, I think I've done some things here. I can look at the what I've done there before. I could just see and check out support and resistance. So first of all, ask yourself, where is this market right now? Where is this market right now? What is it doing there? Why is the market struggling where it is? Okay? Why is the market struggling where it is? Look at market. Why is it struggling where it is? You can start to go back, bring the market back, find out. See, it is taking a longer distance, so you can break it, go to bigger time frame, and go to bigger time frame. Okay, to check out what is happening. One day, so you can see the other end. Okay, now you are seeing the other end. Good. I also said, why is this market struggling here? What is happening? What is so peculiar about this place where the market is? Something must have happened there before in the previously. So you can now trace the zone. There is something there that's making the market to struggle. That is what we call support and resistance. Okay. So you see the zone here, something has happened there previously that is driving the market. Looking at zone very well, you see market has been there before and it struggled. So it's going to resist the market again while coming that back and forth. Okay, look at it, still go back. Okay, look at the zone very well. You see market has actually been there severely and it has been resisted by support, resistance. So you see all this has made this stiffen this zone. Okay, it has stiffened the zone, made the zone very strong. Okay, so any market that's coming with, if you're coming from up, it will turn to a support to make it a support. They're coming from down to make it a resistance for you. Okay, so it's actually supporting here. So this point, there's a support here. That's why the market is struggling. There's a support here. And when it breaks this support, it will go down. Okay, so same thing, likewise, you can equally go on and on. Look for areas that have been tested multiple times. What are the areas? This zone, this zone, this zone. It's very easy to spot them. Look for areas that have been tested multiple times. You can even use a line and pull it up, bam, okay? Because it's not a single line, it's a zone. So you can actually use two lines to do this. Okay, you see, look at in between now, I have a zone. Okay, you see, market has tested, I think, so this market has tested over here, over and over, over and over, over and over. So all these places will be support and resistance.